Honor and respect to you, society. We here for another short video after a long time. I know it's been a while since I was here, and since I've posted the last video, a lot of things took place, a lot of event, and among them, one of the most important things to many of you or some people was the so-called election, or I would say selection. So now that everything took place, and some people probably pleased or unpleased with what the result is, either way, it's a selection. So now, what is the expectation? I know some of you guys are very upset and some of you guys are happy. But what you guys need to understand is the fact that it's only a selection. So basically, it's like you're getting the same thing but in a different package, okay? So you know how certain brand, they like so focus on their package, they have a main focus point, and the other one, they do have a different focus but it's on something else. But at the end of the day, it's the same product in a different package, okay? So I hope you guys can understand it that way, especially now we are in the time of revelation, the time of Aquarius. You guys need to really wake up, because Mother Universe is putting everything right in front of us. Everything is so obvious, it's so open. Like, really try not to miss on anything. This is the time for you guys to question everything. So it's been like we've been doing this circle thing forever, and whatever took place, what have ever happened? Nothing. So instead of focus on that to expect certain changes, really get deep, get in touch, get connected to yourself. Get connected, understand your existence, understand the difference of the system in which we live, the matrix. Understand that, and it's going to make a big difference, okay? So with that being said, like I said, we are in the time of revelation, and a lot of things happening, a lot of things are taking place. So please try to be grounded, so you guys could really understand what's taking place instead of being wasting your energies over things. And another thing you guys need to understand, stop letting the society define certain title, what they validate, who they validate, you know, as an example, as an icon. Stop doing that, and stop seeing those people, because they are only a tools to the system to make you guys do the things that they have to do, okay? So I think by now you guys should understand that things will never be the same, and we are in the time of revelation, we are in the time of Aquarius. It's time to focus. Like I said, now the so-called selection is over. What do you expect? It's going to happen? Nothing's going to happen, because it's the same. You're basically getting the same product in a different package. So you have to do for yourself, instead of depend on some kind of like savior or rescuer to come for you, because that was never the intention. So just like your birthright or your freedom, it is the same thing. To be able to protect yourself, take care of yourself, is your own responsibility. So depend on you first before you can depend on anything or anyone else in the system to come and save you, okay? So I hope you guys really start questioning things, and leave the idea of attaching to a different party or one side, or and being manipulating like a little game, like a little toys, okay? So focus on you and try to understand the game for what it is, and maybe you could save yourself and do for yourself the way you're supposed to do. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Again, honor and respect, because that's all you ever deserve.